Good morning, everyone. Wish you a very congratulations and welcome to class 6th. As you all know me, I am Mrs. Tishu Gupta and I am going to teach you science in the new session. As you all know that we have been locked down due to the very infectious disease of coronavirus. As you have been guided that wash your hands frequently with soap, do not touch your nose, eyes and mouth because these are the only three openings through which virus can enter our body. Keep maintain social distancing and be at home and play safe. As you all know that time doesn't stop from anyone. So let's begin with our first chapter of science, which is food, where it comes from. As you all know, food. What do you understand by food? Food could be anything. It could be chips, it could be sandwiches, it could be parathas, it could be fruits, it could be vegetables. Anything that we eat is a food. But why do we need food? How does food helps our body? It gives energy to do work. It gives energy to do work, nutrients for the growth and repair of tissues, and it protects us from diseases. Now, the second question arises is where does we get food from? There are mainly two sources from where we get food. First, we get it from the plants in the form of cereals, pulses, fruits, and vegetables. The other means by which we get food is by the animals in the form of milk, egg, meat, and honey. The second topic is ingredients. What are ingredients? Suppose you have to make a Maggie. What do you need? You need a cup of water, Maggie, and Maggie masala. So these three things, water, packet of Maggie and the Maggie masala, consist of ingredients. So the raw materials which are needed to prepare food is known as ingredients. We can take another example. Suppose we have to make rice. So what do we need for the rice? We need water and rice. So these two things which are used in making the rice is known as the ingredients. Then plants are called the producers. But why are they called so? Because they have the ability to prepare their own food. Can we prepare our own food? No. We depend upon our plants to make any food. Next is topic is the edible parts. What are the edible parts? Edible parts are the parts of the plant which can be eaten are called the edible parts. Like we can eat many parts of the plant. We eat its roots, its stem, its leaves, its flowers, its fruits. But what part of the plants do we eat? Like we eat the roots of carrot and radish, stems of sugarcane and onion, leaves of mint and spinach, flowers of cauliflower and broccoli, fruits of apple and mango, etc. Now you'll be needing a lesson plan as you don't have your books. So I'll send you the copy of the lesson plan so that you can understand the chapter better. Next, there is a small activity that you can perform at your home. For that, you'll be needing chana or rajma or moong dal. Take a small bit of the dal and soak it in water overnight. Then in the early morning, take a cotton cloth and put all the seeds in it and tightly packed it. Leave it for 1 day. Then another day, you'll see that small white structures will come out of the cloth. What does it means? That this white structure is the sprouts that is coming out from the seeds. So when this white structures comes out of the seeds, we say that seeds are sprouted. I want each of you to perform this activity and send me the results on your WhatsApp group so that I can understand that you have understood the meaning of sprouted and you are able to sprout these seeds. Why the seeds need to be sprouted? Because if we sprout the seeds, they are more nutritious and they are more healthy and they are rich in proteins. Then another important animal food is honey. Where do we get the honey from? As you all know that bees suck the nectar. What is the nectar? Nectar is the sweet juices that the bees suck from the flowers. So bees collect nectar from flowers and convert into honey and store it in their hives. Honey is very good for our health. Then next topic we come to is what do animals eat? All animals, as you know, have their own eating habits. Animals who own the animals who o- the animals who eat only plants are known as herbivores. For example, cows and deers. Plants, animals who eat flesh are known as carnivores, like lions and tigers. Animals who eat both plants and flesh are known as omnivores. For example, humans as well as bears. Then the other category is parasites. Parasites, as you must have heard, like leeches and bugs. They live in or inside our body and take the food from us. They don't prepare their food, they don't hunt for it, but they suck it from the body of the animals. Then the other categorize is scavengers. Scavengers, for example, jackals and vultures. They eat the flesh of dead animals. Those who are dead, they eat the flesh of them. And the last category in this we have is decomposers. Decomposers, for example, bacteria and fungi. They decompose and eat dead plant and animals. After they eat plants and animals, they decompose them. Therefore, scavengers and decomposers are known as the environmental cleaner. I hope that whatever I have taught you today, you must have understood it. I'm sending you the lesson plan regarding what I have taught you today. Please go through it and I'll be sending the worksheet based on it. Thank you.